getting some heat in those tires, baby, I tell you that now. This is such a huge problem around where I live. You see all the mud on the ground? Oh my god, when it rains, this is absolutely lethal. As I'm sure you can imagine, like the whole thing turns into a mud ski rink. It's horrible. And the problem is that the tractors and the big lorries and stuff that make them coming out of building sites around here, like they just don't give a fuck, man. They really don't care. Anyway, what's up, dudes? Welcome to another video. Whoa, what is going on? That is how you deal with traffic. Now I'm on my way to meet up with James. You guys may remember James from one of my last videos. He's the guy who rides the really cool MT-09. Oh no, what is it? It's the XSR 900, which is the MT-09 with the Cafe Racer body. It's just such a mental bike. To update you guys on how the competition for the ZX6R is progressing so far, it's going really well. So I've got the terms and conditions done, an important part of it, to, like, you know, at the end of the day, I don't want to be fucked up. I don't want to be fucked over legally by doing this, by doing this competition. If you guys don't know yet, I'm going to be running a competition very soon. You guys can win my Kawasaki ZX6R, this bike here. So if you want to stay up to date with the competition, do hit the subscribe bell. You know, if you want to keep up to date with when it goes live and everything like that, I'll be announcing it all on my YouTube channel. The terms and conditions are done. The next step is to buying a domain name to get, like, the competition website sorted out. There's a car behind me. An Audi is riding my dick right now, guys. Right up my fucking ass, you wanker. Go on then, you can break the fucking speed limit more than already. Fucking woman, man, crazy. She was no joke, like a foot away from my ass. Not a fan. So that'd be really cool. And so yeah, buying the domain name and then getting that sorted out. I think a really cool thing as well was that I was initially thinking, oh, very nice Fireblade. I was initially thinking that I would make it so that if a certain number of tickets weren't sold, I'd just refund everyone their money. But I think what a cooler way of doing it would be, let's say I need 100 tickets sold. Hello squad, hello. And I sell, like, I don't know, 50 or 20. What I would do then is I would still pick a winner, but then they would win the cash prize. They would win the value of the tickets. I think that'd be quite a cool way to do it. I'd need to sell 200 tickets at £15 a pop, which I think will be quite easy to do. The competition should work for the bike. But if it doesn't, for whatever reason, there will still be a prize there for you guys to enter. So, you know, let's say I only get 1,500 quid through the ticket sales, so half the tickets sold, then I would then put that 1,500 quid as the prize. So whoever won would win 1,500 quid, which, you know, it's not a small sum of money. But obviously, I'd prefer it if the bike was the final winner. It'd be awesome, man. You'd get the winner on stream, f***ing, like, make a video when he or she comes to pick up the bike. I think it'd be awesome. It's really touching, you know, touching on my heart, pulling on my heartstrings. That would be, you know, that'd be sick. That's like a police bike coming up. That is a police bike. 3 of them. Woohoo! I just got nodded up by 3 police. I'm waiting for them to turn around. Like, oh yeah, f the police. It's like, no. If the police aren't gonna mess with you, man, if you don't break the law. Stop breaking the law in the first place, you dipshit. That shit doesn't make any fucking sense. Now, the reason why I'm going very slowly up here is because you find a bunch of old people just literally, like, chilling in the bushes with, like, the little ghillie suits on, bloody, like, properly hiding out, trying to catch people speeding. They have their own little speed gun. You know, I'm fairly sure one of them would, like, you know, sit in a bin or something like that with a little, like, speed camera or his little notebook and just take lots of pictures for the police. It's mad. Like, they're properly going for it. I'm not sure if that's the best slogan. CLC group, a reputation to maintain. Not getting close to that shit. No way. Hey! Motherfucker! CLC group, absolute cockwank. I've got my coffee. No, I'm just waiting for bloody James. Don't know where he is. Like him. That is him. I was expecting a wheelie there. What the fuck happened? You alright? Alright. What's up, guys? So I'm back home now. Basically, my camera decided to die on my face. The Hero 4 doesn't have as much battery life as I thought it did, but
Whatever. Gabby's here, she's working still. You see, this is Leo's bed, so he can overlook the road and just chill out and basically just watch over life. Got her I'm a smarty pants glasses on. But I get home and my auntie has sent us a bag for the Easter chocolates. Man, I love that woman. This is the setup. As you can see, it's not exactly PewDiePie level, but it's, you know, it does me very well. So I guess this was like a little, like an update life vlog, essentially. You can see our laundry here as well. Very attractive. The kind of like a little update life vlog on what's happening with the whole competition thing. I've got a couple more videos actually in the can for once, which is awesome. So I'll be rendering those tonight, which would be cool. Gabby started doing YouTube again, which is really cool. So go check out her new video. Link is in the description. I mean, you can't say no to that face, can you really? Go check out her video, links in the description. If you guys have any questions about this competition that's coming up, let me know, put them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I think it's gonna be a really, really cool competition, and I'm really excited because I seem to have like managed to work out the whole legal issues surrounding it, which is cool. If you like this video, please give it a like. Remember to hit the subscriber bell as well, guys, if you haven't yet, because YouTube, unfortunately, is making it very difficult. Like, YouTube's not sending out notifications to everyone who'd be interested in watching my videos, and the same for everyone else's channel. So all the channels that you want to watch, just make sure you hit the notification bell so you actually stay up to date with their new posts and everything like that. Alright guys, I'll see you next video. Peace!